If you want to find out how this facial steamer can change your life and make your skin smoother, cleaner, glowier, and better in general. Today, I'm going to review the must-have item and will give you a lot of tips and tricks that you want to know. Keep watching, and it's about to get hot in here. Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel Passion by Peachy. It's been a minute, but I am back with the product reviews and a lot of juicy information that you might want to know. My goal is to create a community where I can help save your time, money, and help you make a better buying decision when it comes to the beauty product, fashion product, and lifestyle product. Please make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out any cool and interesting video. So today's video, you guys are gonna be learning about this facial steamer from AliExpress, and I bought this item from AliExpress just to try it on myself. It's affordable and it's really cool. So personally, I have the blackhead problem on my nose here, and I think it's come from me wearing makeup every day all day. And you know, I tried the nose strips, but it doesn't work 100%. So I purchased this facial steamer because it said that it would be able to help me clear my skin and make it smoother and also help me remove the blackheads. So I'm just really excited and hope that this facial steamer will change your life after this. Alright, without further ado, let's get into the product review and unboxing. Facial steamer, the must-have item. First thing first, before we get into the product feature, I would like to kind of highlight a little bit of who would be enjoying this product the most and who maybe should avoid it. According to a lot of research and then also the product reviews as well, it mentioned that this product will be suitable for everyone, all genders, and whoever wants to have a better and clear skin and does not want to spend more than $50. If you have normal skin to oily skin type, suffering from acne, you will be really happy to know that this product will be the best for your skin, and that this steam can be really good for your skin as it helps cleansing and increases the blood flow to the face. However, if you have the dry and sensitive skin, the heat can potentially have a negative results on your skin, so you might want to seek some of the advice first. Alright, let's move on into review the feature of this item. So this come with the white box, and the full name is Nano Ionic Facial Steamer. The rated power is 300 watt and rated capacity is 65 milliliters. Alright, now that we unpack the package, I just would like to go and review a little bit of what is included in that package. So first thing first, we got the spray head, and then the main unit, the measuring cup, and lastly we got the user manual. So I could just continue working and having this steamer about 20 centimeters away from me, and I can feel a little heat. You will leave this for 8 to 10 minutes, and after you're done, all you have to do is click turn off. Okay, so now this is a very fun and important part. I would like to share my experience about pros and cons. So first thing first, what I like the most is how it make my skin feel. It tends to give me the moisturize and the soften skin after I use it, and then it's also kind of make it easier for me to remove my blackheads. Also, I like the modern design, and it's just really easy to use. And I think the most important thing is, I think compared to other products and also other brands, this one in particular has such a reasonable price. Now, the only thing that I don't like about this product, I guess number one for me, it is a slow shipping. It took me about 2-3 weeks to get the product, and also time to time I feel like it can be a little bit too hot for your face, so you just have to be careful about that. And especially for the people who have kids, I think this is something that you might have to kind of be careful and not have your kids play around with it, and it might be too hot for the kids. Now, all in all, I would like to give the star rating at 4.8 out of 5. The reason because overall, I love the product and it's just really easy to use. It has such a great size and modern looking, and the reasonable price is kind of just speaks to me. And I think in overall, it's worth the money. Now, I saw the difference in my skin after using only one time, so I cannot imagine that how my skin will look so much better after using for a while. So yeah, 4.8 out of 5. I think that's what I would give. In conclusion, I would think that this facial steamer is a must-have, and I think it's worth the money, and I'd highly recommend it for you to buy it. Alright, so thank you so much for today. I'm just really excited to review more products for you guys. So like if you have anything that you want me to review, just make sure that you comment below, and also, or you can direct message me to my Instagram at passionbypeachy. I cannot wait to see you until next time. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you to the moon and back. See you next time, guys. Bye.